Welcome to Instant Workshops. In this workshop, I will show you the steps to add page numbers in Microsoft Word. I will be using the Microsoft 365 version of Word. Many academic institutions offer their students free access to Microsoft 365. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document. Click on the Insert tab. In the header and footer section, click on Page Number. Choose the position of the page numbers where you want them. When you're finished, select Close Header and Footer. If you'd like to start the page numbers on the second page of your document, click on the Insert tab. In the header and footer section, click on Page Number. Click on Format Page Numbers. Under Page Numbering, select Start At and change the number to 0. Choose the position of the page numbers where you would like them. In the Options section, click on the box for Different First Page. When you're finished, select Close the Header and Footer. These are the steps you need to follow to add page numbers to a Word document. If you need help, contact your library or your institution's IT department.